Interested in customer, patient, or learner journey mapping? Welcome to the Journifica online video series. This is episode 3 for journey administrators, and it demonstrates the basic methods for adding and describing touch points and using override arrows to connect distant touch points. This video assumes that you now have the journey map canvas on your screen. To add a touch point to your canvas, find the touch point type by scrolling through those available in the toolset on the left of the screen. If you are uncertain of any touch point's definition, float your mouse over the icon for a float over description. When you have found the touch point type you desire, click and hold your left mouse button and drag the touch point onto the canvas, typically floating it below the touch point, which it will naturally follow in the journey. Should this be the first touch point you are adding, just drag it into the first phase of a journey. Release the mouse button to deposit the touch point in place. You will notice that if you dragged it so that it follows an earlier touch point, Journifica automatically draws a connector arrow showing process flow. You may continue to drag and drop touch points in place. The canvas responds to create a well-spaced map, even beginning a second column of touch points as necessary within a phase. You may also drag touch points into different journey phases, and when it is the first point in the journey phase, it will stay there and an arrow connector will be generated that will cross the phases to connect the points. Providing the details of a touch point will be covered in another video, but it is an important step in creating a rich journey map and should not be neglected. To move a touch point to a new location and change its order, click on the touch point and hold down the mouse button. Drag the icon to a new location in the journey map and release the button. To create a bypass, or the possibility of a passage between two touch points separated by one or more others, use the arrow button from the toolset. Click on the arrow button to toggle it, then click on the touch point at the beginning of the bypass, then the touch point at the end of the bypass. You will see an arrow drawn in the direction of the relationship as a result of your efforts. To make it a bidirectional cycle, repeat the process in the reverse sequence. The Journifica team is here to help, so don't hesitate to send us an email should you need additional assistance in getting started with Journifica. Thank you for watching.